Hi friends, welcome to Learn with Sitara. Today we are going to learn some important vocabulary words from the editorial section of the Hindu newspaper. This will help you in the preparation of competitive exams. So let's start. Our first word is rhetoric, which means fancy or persuasive language often not fully sincere. Next, enforceable, able to be made into law or forced to follow. Next, dissent, strong disagreement. Next, misinterpret, which means to understand something wrongly. Next, precedent, which means an earlier example used to guide later actions. Next, retrospective, looking back at past events. Next, compel, to force someone to do something. Next, fungible, easily replaceable with something similar. Next, enunciate, to say something clearly. Next, grandiose, very big and impressive in a show off way. Next, pronouncement, an official public statement. Next, doctrine, a set of beliefs or rules. Next, instill, to slowly put an idea or feeling into someone's mind. Next, jurisprudence, which means the study and understanding of law. Next, enactment, which means the passing of a law. Next, regime, a system of government or rule. Next, verdict, the final decision of a court. Next, insistence, which means strong demand or refusal to give up. Next, appraisal, which means careful evaluation or judgment. And last word, unequivocally, which means clearly and without doubt. Thank you for learning.